Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if it is highlighted in this yellow color and if you can see the red one inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can actually open this upper bar just by tapping on the three bars icon, and as you can see at the very top we've got the options which are connected to the resolution. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got a 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second. As you can see, it is highlighted, but we can set the 720p and 4K, and both are with 30 frames per second. And we've got also another option of 1080p with 60 frames per second. And basically all you have to do in order to set the resolution is to simply tap on it. So let me pick 4K. As you can see, it has been immediately highlighted, and it simply means that you can get back to the camera and start recording. Your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.